Hello there. In this video, we will be showing you how to use the Greynote Parents app. To get started, simply visit parent.greynote.app. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Sign Up to create your account. Ensure to fill out the form accurately. Provide your name, email address, phone number, and a strong password you can always remember. Click on the Continue button to proceed to the next phase of the registration. Upload a profile picture, not more than 5 megabytes in size, and choose your relationship with the child. Once registered, you'll receive an email with a one-time password. Use this OTP to verify your email and gain access to your account. Do not share your OTP with anyone.